Here's a tip. When I'm working on pipes or exhausts and I'm doing fit-ups where these two pipes are swedged and they fit together, I'll take this abrasive one and polish it up a little bit like this. Get everything off of it. And then another tool I like to have in the box is this little one right here. This tiny one fits inside really nice. So you can see that. Get a really nice finish in there, and I'll apply a little bit of anti-seize just for the slip fit. And when you do this application on an exhaust like this, you won't end up destroying your donut gasket and your studs up here, jamming the pipe on too hard. Should slip together for your application. And I'll also add a little bit just to this hose so that it slides on and off easy with no obstruction. That's the tip.